Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you the orange jam recipe. I must say this is not your typical supermarket kind of orange jam. It's not the jelly-like kind of orange jam. This is the orange jam we used to make, so many years ago. So without wasting time, let's just get started. Obviously, you are going to need some oranges, and I have here these beautiful and sweet oranges. With the help of a juicer, I'll just get the juice out. So after juicing all my oranges, this is what I have here. I'll come in with about 4 tablespoonfuls of brown sugar. Next, I'll come in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of cornstarch. Then I'll give it a good mix. I'll put it in a saucepan and put this on low fire. And don't forget to be stirring regularly. This will take about 30 to 40 minutes to cook. When it gets thicker, put off the fire. Now I'll transfer this into a glass bowl. I'll let it cool down. After it cools down, I'll cover it up and leave it in the fridge overnight. So it's the next day, and as you can see, it is thicker. And yeah, I'll just spread it on a slice of bread. And this is very delicious. Obviously, this has no additives nor preservations, so you can keep it in your fridge for a maximum of 1 week. I hope you did enjoy this, and I hope you are going to give it a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.